Grammy-winning dancehall artist Sean Paul and his wife Jody Henriquez, along with his fellow friends Shaggy, Chris Gayle and Usain Bolt, recently took on some charitable initiative amid the No Movement Days in Jamaica. Jody shared the latest charitable initiative on social media where families received assistance prior to the 3 days of lockdown. In this Instagram post, she shared that, quote, "Last week before the lockdown, some 300 families from across 3 communities in Kingston, Olympic Gardens, Seaview Gardens and Waltham Gardens received packages courtesy of the Sean Paul Foundation," end quote. She added that the initiative was a joint one with a number of Sean Paul's friends as they tried to reach as many families as possible. Jody also thanked the Chris Gayle Foundation, Shaggy, Usain Bolt and Gary Matalon, who all contributed, along with the charitable organization Food for the Poor Jamaica. Hardcore dancehall music artist Masicka has received a gold certification for his feature on the single Big Body Benz, which also boasts German rapper Bones MC. The Promise DJ shared this video on social media of the unboxing moment. Big Body Benz has sold over 200,000 units, the benchmark for a gold certification from the German federal music industry. Masicka is also getting ready to release his debut album 438. The top form DJ has been dropping hints about the project on social media and has teased singles that will be featured on the album. No release date has been announced for the upcoming project. American rapper Ludacris is gearing up to release a new children's animated series and accompanying album. The project, titled Karma's World, will officially premiere on streaming service Netflix. Ludacris says the project has been a labor of love for over a decade and is inspired and named after his eldest daughter. Karma's World showcases a middle school student as she hones her lyrical craft while solving everyday problems creatively. The series and the original soundtrack album are set to be released October 15. I'm Deidre reporting for ePrime.